Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Ease. Today we will learn phonic sound of C. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the sound of C? What is the sound of C? Ka. Ka. Cloud. Ka. Cat. Ka. Cat. Now let's learn some more words of sound C. Ka, car. Ka, coat. Ka, coat. Ka, cradle. Now it's your turn. Try to crack these pictures. What is in this picture? What is this? I know you like it most. What is this? Ka, Cadbury. Now let's see. Can you guess this? What is in this picture? You keep your toys and clothes in this. What is this? The cupboard. The cupboard. Now next, what is this? The cube. Wonderful. This is Rubik cube. I know. You know very well. What is this? You love coloring. Yes, these are colors. These are colors. Color. Now let's learn sound blend of alphabet C with other alphabets. What is this? A. Do you know the sound of A? Don't know? Then go and watch my other videos on phonic sound. Then you will learn the phonic sound of A and B also. Now let's see what is the sound of C. Ka. And what is the sound of A? A. Now join these two sounds. Ka. A. Ca. Ca. Gap. Ka. A. Ca. Cap. Cap. Now next, what is this? L. L. What is the sound of C? Ka. And what is the sound of L? La. Now join these two sounds. Ka. La. Cla. Cla. Click. Click the button. Ka. La. Clap. Clap. Clapping for all of you. You are learning by heart. Wonderful. What is next? O. O. What is the sound of C? Ka. And what is the sound of O? O. Now join these two sounds. Ka. O. Ko. Cone. Ka. O. Cone. Cone means thief. Thief. Ka. O. Comb. Comb your hair. Next, what is this? R. What is the sound of C? Ka. And what is the sound of R? Ra. Now join these two sounds. Ka. Ra. Ka. Ra. Kra. Crown. Crown of princess. Crown of princess. Ka. Ra. Crane. Crane. Wonderful. Now this. What is this? U. What is the sound of C? Ka. And what is the sound of U? What is the sound of U? A. Now join these two sounds. Ka, A, ka, cup, 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 cup. What is cup? Baby of lion. Baby of lion is called cup. Give me a high five. You learned all the words of sound C. Very good. Soon I will be back with my new video on Phonic Sound D. Before leaving, subscribe, like, and share my channel. Yes, one more thing. Write in the comment box how many new words you learned from this video. Okay, now goodbye. We will meet soon.